The Work Management Analysis app provides you with an overview of how well your business is planning, scheduling, and executing maintenance. Some of the KPIs include schedule attainment, statutory task compliance, maintenance backlog, and percentage tactical work. All of the KPIs are documented with examples to ensure that you know exactly what is being measured. The work management KPIs also cater for different maturities, enabling your analysis to mature with your business. Every KPI has a sheet dedicated to it, where the measure is displayed over a variety of dimensions, and the associative data model makes investigations and the identification of pain points a breeze. For example, finding the asset type with the most work orders in the backlog, and then seeing which individual assets are responsible for the backlog can be done in a few clicks. The other objects give you supporting information, such as the age of the work orders, the sites where the work needs to be done at, as well as the responsible trades, sections, and staff members. As with all apps, you once again have access to the detailed records for discussion with your team. OnKey Insights, providing business insight and driving improvement.